Hello. In this lesson, you're going to look at a science article. When you read, first you're going to preview. That means first you look through the article and you ask yourself, what will I learn? You look at the pictures. You preview, you look at the pictures. And then you see, what can you name? What do you know in English? Previewing the pictures helps you get ready to read. So let's do that now. How nature works, ecosystems, and food chains. So I see a picture. This is a chipmunk. Okay, the chipmunk looks like it's eating something. And it's in nature. It's on some wood, right? Leaves, plants. This ecosystem has an animal, a chipmunk, a non-living thing, a piece of wood, and a plant, a living thing. What other pictures do we see? Okay, it says food chain. So the food chain, there's the food the rabbit eats, and the rabbit is the food the fox eats. What does the fox say? Foxes eat rabbits. Rabbits eat plants. Okay, so we looked at the pictures first. We also see some science words. Ecosystem. Ecosystem. Food chain. Food chain. Living thing. Living thing. Non-living thing. Non-living thing. So these are important words. We're really going to look for these words when we read.
How nature works. Ecosystems and food chains.
Ecosystems are all around us. They are how nature works. Every place on Earth, every forest, mountain, and ocean has an ecosystem. All living things, including humans, are part of an ecosystem.
Ecosystems.
Ecosystems have both living and non-living things. Plants and animals are living things. Sunlight, air, rocks, and soil are non-living things. The living things in an ecosystem need both non-living things and other living things. For example, plants need soil, water, and sunlight. Animals need air, water, and food. Animals' food can be plants, other animals, or both.
Food chains.
Plants, the animals that eat them, and the animals that eat those animals are all part of a food chain. In a food chain, each living thing is linked to the other living things in the chain. For example, a food chain can begin with a plant. The plant grows leaves. Then, a rabbit eats some of the leaves. Next, a fox eats the rabbit. Rabbits need plants to live. Foxes need smaller animals to live. Every part of the food chain is important in an ecosystem.
Where are ecosystems? Where are ecosystems? Ecosystems are all around us. Every forest, mountain, and ocean. Everywhere. Every place. What do ecosystems have? Ecosystems have both living and non-living things. Plants and animals are living things. Sunlight, air, rocks, and soil are non-living things. What do animals need? What do animals need? Animals need air, water, and food. In a food chain, what is each living thing linked to? In a food chain, each living thing is linked to the other living things in the chain. Everything is connected. Everything is connected. Those are called links. In a food chain, links in a chain, everything is connected. Are you part of the food chain? You would be here in the food chain because people eat the herbivores and we eat the plants. We don't usually eat the carnivores, but we eat the animals, unless you're vegetarian like me. We eat the animals that eat plants and we eat the plants. So we would be here in the food chain. We would be consumers. Okay, now work in your workbook.